If you're over 40, 50, 60, 70 and beyond, I see you, and you want to look expensive this fall without spending a fortune, I'm about to show you 7 color combinations that stylists are using right now to make their clients look like they're wearing designer clothes, even if they're not. And color combo number 5 shocked me the most, and it's so easy to wear. So let's dive in. Hi, if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Alice. I'm an artist and interior designer, and I've studied color psychology for years. And I help women over 40 feel and look their best using the science of color. Stick with me today because at the end, I am revealing the most anti-aging color duo of this year, and you probably already have it in your closet. Let's start with our combo number 1. How to do pastel after 40. Grayish plus soft lilac. This one surprised me. Soft lilac is huge this year. And when you pair it with grayish, which is this perfect hybrid of gray and beige, it doesn't look overly sweet or juvenile, right? It really looks ethereal. It looks sophisticated. Now, here's the color psychology science behind this combo. Lilac contains blue undertones that brighten the whites around your eyes and add light to mature skin. Now, grayish in this combo keeps the look grounded and elegant, so you never look like you're trying to dress trendy or younger, right? And you're seeing this at Jill Sander, The Row, the ultimate quiet luxury brands. Now, how to wear it? You can try a lilac blouse under a grayish trench coat, which gives basically this instant facelift. And you can try grayish pants with a soft lavender lilac sweater or a lilac scarf with a grayish outfit. But just remember to play with texture when you go for monochrome outfits. Cool and neutral undertones look especially stunning in this combo. And this is how you do pastel after 40. It's soft, it's intentional, it's elevated, sophisticated, right? Now here is our combo number 2. Ivory plus espresso brown, the new black and white. Now, this is my personal favorite and one of the most anti-aging combos on this list. Ivory is the mature women's version of white, because it reflects a light onto your face, creating this soft focus filter. It brightens your complexion and it makes you look more awake without the harshness of pure stark white. Espresso brown, on the other hand, anchors the look with richness and depth. It's much warmer than black, it's more sophisticated than just brown, and it creates stunning contrast without draining your face. Now, here's the psychology behind this color combo. Ivory on its own signals clarity and refinement, while espresso brown conveys this timeless elegance and grounded kind of luxury. And here is the styling secret for this combo. Always wear ivory near your face, espresso brown on the bottom. This creates this upward flow of light that lifts your entire silhouette. I think it looks best this way. So how to wear it? And here's some examples. I'm gonna put them up on the screen. For example, you could go with ivory blouse or turtleneck with espresso pants, perhaps an espresso brown coat with an ivory scarf. Or you can opt for ivory sweater with espresso skirt. Now, this color combo will basically work for every single undertone, but it will look especially stunning if you have brown chestnut hair. By the way, if you're not sure if you have a cool, neutral, or warm undertone, I've put together a free step-by-step color analysis guide to help you figure it out. So if you want it, just comment colors in the comments and I'll personally send it to you. I'll also link it in the description box below so you can just grab it right away. Here's our combo number 3. Mocha brown and powder pink. This is the richest, softest contrast of the season, and it's all over Vogue right now. And here's the color psychology behind it. Mocha brown signals stability and quiet luxury, while powder pink brings a light near your face and it conveys approachability and youthfulness. When you wear them together, you look confident, but warm, sophisticated, but never cold. The magic happens because powder pink reflects light back onto your face, creating that soft focus effect that blurs fine lines. Mocha brown grounds the look with warmth and this richness. So, how to wear it? You can wear mocha sweater with a blush scarf near your face, powder pink blouse under a chocolate brown coat, or brown pants with a blush pink top. It could be a silk top, for example. So now you may ask me, Alice, but is it good for my undertone? Well, this combo is actually pretty much universally flattering, but it's especially radiant on warm and neutral undertones. This really feels like Paris in October or November. Soft light and this quiet confidence, understated elegance. Now, here's our combo number 4. Navy plus chili red, the new power pairing. Forget black and red. That's too harsh after 40. Navy and red are the sophisticated alternative that French women have been wearing for years. And here's how it works. Navy is softer than black, so it doesn't drain your face, but it still gives you that authority, that polish. And when you add that chili red, which is not a bright red, but a deeper, richer kind of red, you get this instant vitality without looking like you're trying too hard. The psychology behind this color combo is absolutely brilliant because navy signals authority and trust, while red conveys energy and confidence. So together they kind of say confident femininity. Confident femininity. Femininity. Yes. So you're seeing it right now all over different runways, from Acne Studios to Ferragamo, and all over the streets of Paris. So, how to wear it? For example, navy pants with a red handbag. Or it can be as simple as navy blazer and red lipstick. Or red scarf and a navy coat. If you have a cool or neutral undertone, you will look spectacular in this combo. Now, here's combo number 5, and it's one that feels the most modern and unexpected. Cobalt blue and warm taupe, the modern radiance booster. This color combination is absolutely brilliant because it pairs energy with calm. And cobalt blue is actually one of the most universally flattering blues out there. It's really powerful and vibrant. Warm taupe, on the other hand, grounds this look and it adds sophistication. So how do we wear it? For example, you can wear a cobalt blazer with taupe pants, taupe coat with some cobalt accessories, or you can try cobalt blue blouse with taupe pants. Now, what's really amazing about this particular color combo is that it works across all undertones, but it's especially powerful if you have brown eyes because the contrast will make them just glow. It's a beautiful combination. And because I know that some of you will ask, where can I find pieces in these colors? I've included links to some of my favorite fashion staples of the season in these exact colors. I did the research and found beautiful and affordable options, so I'm linking them in the description box below. Check them out if you want to start building these combos right away. And if you've learned something new today, please do me a huge favor and click that like button. Now, here's the big one. Share this with a friend who is always asking for style advice or who wants to look expensive and elegant this fall. She will absolutely thank you for this. Okay, so let's keep going with our combo number 6. Camel and forest green, the quiet luxury code. Camel is timeless on its own, but when you pair it with forest green, it becomes luxury. This is the quiet luxury code of fall and winter of this year. And here's the secret. Forest green is actually one of the most flattering colors out there because it cancels out redness in our skin. Now, camel on its own adds warmth and this kind of refinement. It's the color of cashmere. It's the color of leather. I would say it's the color of old money. Together, they they feel very earthy yet expensive. Like if you were to pair autumn leaves with fine Italian leather. So you're seeing it all over the runways of Prada or Gucci this year for a reason. It's really the palette of understated wealth. And how do we wear it? So you can pair a camel coat with a forest green sweater underneath, or if you have a forest green dress, you can pair it with camel accessories, handbags, and so on. Add gold jewelry to make it glow even more. Now, this color combo is best if you have a warm or neutral undertone, though it is quite versatile. Now, our final color combo is straight from French Vogue. So here it is, our combo number 7. Plum and charcoal gray, the Minimalist Drama. Charcoal gray is replacing black this year, and no wonder. It is softer, it's more refined, and infinitely more flattering on mature skin. Now, when you pair it with plum, you get a mystery and sophistication without the harshness. Plum adds richness, it adds depth, while still feeling very elegant and very modern. And you're seeing it everywhere this year because it's this perfect balance of drama and sophistication. So, how do we wear it? Let's look at some examples. You could pair a charcoal coat with a plum scarf, or go for a plum sweater with charcoal pants, or if you have a whole charcoal outfit, pair it with plum lipstick to tie it all together and some plum accessories. Now, cool and neutral undertones will look absolutely beautiful in this color combo, and once you start noticing this color combo, you will see it everywhere. Now, as usual, for all of you who stayed till the end, here is the golden nugget. The insider secret, the 70-20-10 rule. Now, here is what expensive, elegant-looking women know that most people don't. It's not just about choosing the right color combinations. It's also about using them in the right proportions. High-end stylists use something called the 70-20-10 rule. And here it is. 70% base neutral. This is your navy, camel, chocolate, charcoal, or espresso. This is the foundation of your outfit. Next up, we have 20%. That's secondary neutral or complementary color. This is your cream, taupe, powder pink, or forest green. It adds depth and interest. And then we have 10% accent. And this is your pop of color near the face. This could be a scarf, a lipstick, jewelry, or a small accessory. This ratio creates this visual hierarchy that our brain automatically reads as expensive and intentional. Now, this is the formula that makes outfits look designer, and you can use it with pieces from anywhere. So basically, here's the truth about looking expensive. It's never about how much you spent. It's about understanding color psychology and using color combinations that create harmony, that create sophistication. So these 7 color combos work because they balance both warmth with coolness, depth with light, and confidence, power with approachability. And that is what creates elegance. Now, I really want to hear from you. Let me know which of these color combos are you going to try first. Let me know in the comments. And remember, if you want the free step-by-step AI color analysis guide, just write colors in the comments and I'll personally send it to you. So, if you're ready to keep going, watch this video next. I think you will love it. And I'll see you there.